Hey, you! Yes, you! Hi! Welcome to Rose English Podcast. My name is Rose. Today we sit together like very good friends. I will tell you about my day. Very easy words, slow and happy talking, no school, only smiles. Ready? Okay, let's start. This morning, my cat Mochi woke me up at 7:15. He walked on my bed, one paw, two paws, then jump, right on my face. Meow, 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 Rose, I am hungry! Every day the same. Mochi is white and very, very fluffy. His eyes are green like leaves. I opened my eyes slowly, looked at the ceiling, smiled big. New day, fresh day. I love that feeling. Do you love it too? I stayed in bed 5 more minutes. Okay, maybe 7 minutes. Took my phone, watched cute dog videos. Then I said, okay, Rose, time to get up. Put feet on the floor. Cold. Brr. Walked to bathroom, washed face with cold water, splash, splash, very refreshing. Brushed teeth, looked in mirror. My hair was everywhere, like a big lion. Roar! I laughed. Walked to kitchen. The sun was coming through the window. Everything golden and warm. First I made coffee. The smell, the best smell in the world. Do you drink coffee in the morning? Or tea? Or milk? Tell me later, okay? Opened the fridge. Eggs, milk, bread, butter, strawberry jam, red and shiny. I made scrambled eggs, 2 eggs. Little milk, little salt, mix, mix, mix in the pan, yellow and soft. Toast in the toaster, ding, hot. Put butter and lots of strawberry jam. Carried my plate to the small table. Mochi jumped on the chair next to me. Big eyes. Please, one bite? No, Mochi. This is Rose's breakfast. You have your own food. He looked sad for 2 seconds. Then he walked away. Funny cat. I ate very slowly. Looked outside the window. My neighbor walked his small brown dog. The dog saw me and wagged his tail very fast. I waved. He jumped. So cute. Breakfast time is my favorite time. Quiet, warm sun, happy heart. After breakfast, I changed clothes. Pink leggings, white t-shirt, white sneakers. Morning walk time. I love walking. Took my phone and headphones. Chose happy songs. Opened the door. Fresh air. Walked to the park near my house. 10 minutes only. The park was so beautiful. Green grass, many flowers, yellow, pink, purple. Butterflies flying, birds singing. I saw the old man who feeds pigeons every day. I smiled. Good morning. He smiled big. Good morning, Rose. He knows my name now. My heart felt warm. Walking around the small lake, ducks swimming. Quack, quack, quack. Sat on a wooden bench for 5 minutes, closed my eyes, and felt the wind on my face. So peaceful. Then walked fast, fast, fast. Exercise time. My heart went boom, boom, boom. Good boom. 30 minutes walking. Came home sweaty, but smiling very big. Quick shower. First, cold water. Ah! Then warm water. Perfect. Put on my favorite jeans and soft blue sweater. Comfy clothes equal happy Rose. Work time. I work at home. I draw cute pictures, little animals, flowers, happy words. I sell them online. Sat at my desk, opened laptop, said, "Good morning, my little shop." Checked messages, 3 new orders, yes, happy dance in my chair. Printed the pictures, packed them with pink paper, and tiny thank you notes with hearts. I love thinking about people far away opening my package and smiling. Started a new drawing. Today, a smiling avocado with cool sunglasses. So silly, so fun. Put on calm music, drew and drew. Time disappeared. Suddenly, it was 1 o'clock. Lunchtime. Made a simple sandwich, bread, cheese, tomato, lettuce, little mayonnaise. Took it to the balcony. Sun on my face. Mochi sleeping next to me like a white ball. Birds flying, blue sky, perfect, perfect moment. I thought about you. Yes, you listening right now. I got excited for tonight. After lunch, I called my best friend Luna on video. She lives in another city. We talked almost 40 minutes. She showed me her new plant. I showed her Mochi running crazy. We laughed and laughed. Friendship is the best. Drew more pictures until 5 o'clock. My hand tired, but my heart very full. Evening came. The sky became orange and pink and purple. So pretty. Put on shoes again. Walked to the supermarket. 5 minutes. Bought milk, bananas, chocolate, very important, cat food for Mochi, vanilla ice cream. In the fruit section, I met Sarah from yoga class. "Hey, Rose." "Hey, Sarah." We talked and smiled a lot. So that was my whole day, from Mochi's jump until this second. Simple day, normal day, but full of tiny, happy moments. Now, your turn. How was your day? Think for 5 seconds. What did you eat? Who did you see? What made you smile? You can use very easy words. I woke up at 8. I drank tea. I walked in the park. I saw a cute cat. I ate rice. I talked to my mom. I laughed. That is already perfect English. That is already your story. Write it in the comments if you want. I will read every word, I promise, and I will smile big. Thank you for staying with me today. You made my day even happier. This is Rose, your friend, saying good night, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Goodbye.